great Benin guitarist plus singer Victor Uwaifo Don Kpeme plus special songs when the musicians sing when in dey alive. We knack them come out for una to listen as our own tribute to the great musician. My better country people, I salute una good morning, una good afternoon, una good evening. Sake of the time wey be say the time be now on top that una location from where una dey look us on top we ogbonge pidgin tori informate on top we ogbonge TV channel wey be KTV News 24 Naija. Abeg o, if you just dey jam our news video like this, make you quickly subscribe for our YouTube channel wey be KTV News 24. After you don subscribe, make you not forget to put your finger on top the notification bell so that you go continue to get ogbonge tori as dem dey share with the knack and give you from around the world one time. Na Great Leaders International School Benin, that school wey dey for number 44 Orionwopo Street when you comot hand for Ogemeke Road for inside St. Saviour area, na still put hand for we back to take knack una this tori informate. If you get pikin wey you want make e go correct school, make you carry am go for the school. My name na Stanley Okocha Eropadame. Na me sit on top the matter now to see knack una the tori be say don shele on top this time inside Edo State. Now make we quickly jump enter the tori as e take shele. The tori when e shele for inside this time na really pay one sake of say the legendary Benin pikin when be ogbonge singer plus guitarist Sir Victor Uwaifo Don Kpeme. As one of him pikin when dem dey call Peter the Rock Uwaifo confirmate, the late music superstar Kpeme after one small sickness when him be dey suffer. The very popular Benin music legend when people dey call Guitar Boy celebrate him 80 years birthday for inside March this year 2021. Before him Kpeme, Sir Victor Uwaifo na the first professional musician when be say get the Naija National Award when be National Merit Honor for member for the order for the Naija MON. He come still be the first person for inside Naija to be commissioner for art, culture plus tourism. We bring to una some of the songs when it be say the superstar singer knack come out when he take blow Naija airways for inside the time when be say in dey this world. Make una watch plus listen to some of these songs.
1, 2, 3, 4. That's my daughter, Idusoge, named after my mother. I got a bow.
Simeti baba, ba si water, si water, si water, si water. Mr. Austerity, get out of the street. You becoming funny all over the city. You driving us crazy with your cunning strategy, and this time around you'll never succeed. No matter what, come what may, we are ready. Nothing goes for nothing. We are tired of your pent-up stories. What a disaster! Food crisis in many houses. Enough is enough, Mr. Austerity, and now we are ready. We are gonna chase you out of this place. Far away to the marketplace. We are gonna chase you out of this place. Far away to the marketplace. Far away.
Country people, we for KTV News 24 Naija join Edo people plus the whole of Naija to say rest in peace to the great music legend Sir Victor Uwaifo as him don waka go meet Baba Godeh inside this time. Country people, one time una for the time wey person don take watch us since, and we dey beg una say make una subscribe if you never subscribe on top with YouTube channel wey be KTV News 24 Naija. After you don subscribe, make you no forget to come knack your finger on top the notification bell so that you go continue to get hot ogbonge tori. My name na Stanley Okocha Erokpaidame on top KTV News 24 Naija. I salute una well, una Well done.